So in our course, Knowledge Representation Reasoning, for the TD activity video, we are going to discuss one of the important and also upcoming and followed by a number of libraries released by the third parties for the ideally notebook and anaconda for of the Python development framework. Today we are going to see about our Crew AI third party library in terms of our 3D activity. So we will be getting into the empathize part, define, ideate, prototype and test. Going to given by set of 6 students from second CACA. So the Crew AI getting into a number of applications. So the empathy is going to given by Darsani of the second CAC E1.
So in empathy stage, we focus on understanding the real problems faced by users. Today, students, developers, and professionals use AI tools for tasks like writing assignments, coding, and research. But in real life, they face several challenges. Like AI sometimes give incomplete or confusing answers. It struggles with multi-step tasks like research plus write plus edit, and also users need to repeatedly guide the AI step by step. So in real life example, for example, a student wants to prepare a report. So in this case, they have to ask AI for research, then ask again to write, then again to edit. So this takes more time and effort. So this is the main entity of AI.
Then we move into the second pillar, that is of the define of the Crew AI, going to be given by Emma.
So in the defined stage, the main problem is that single AI systems are not efficient enough to handle complex multi-step tasks. When one AI agent tries to do everything, research, writing, analysis, decision making, all by itself, it leads to incomplete results, slower outputs, and constant need for human correction. The users expect a system that works faster, produces more accurate results, and requires less manual involvement. So the real challenge here is to design an AI system that can break down the big task into smaller parts, assign each part to the right agent, and work collaboratively. Just like how a well-organized team performs better than a single overloaded individual.
We move into the third pillar of our design thinking, innovation and entrepreneur's mindset, the ideas of the concerned Crew AI given by Dinesh.
Next is the idea stage where we think the possible solution. One innovative idea is Crew AI. The idea is to multiple AI agents instead of just one. Each agent has a specific role, focus on a single task, work together with other agents. Let's take example. The user thinks a task. Example: create a report on climate change. Crew AI creates a team of agents. Each agent is assigned to a role. Each agent starts working. Research agent collects data, writer agent creates content, editor agent reviews it. This is similar to teamwork in real life, where different people handle different responsibilities.
Now we move into the fourth stage, that is of the prototype, going to be given by second CAC E1 Vikram.
Now we move to prototype stage where we decide how the system works step by step. Working of Crew AI, the user gives a task. Crew AI creates a team of AI agents. Each AI agent is assigned a role. Agents perform their task independently. Agents communicate and share results. Final output is generated. This process is automatic and result reassembles a real-world team project.
We are getting into the fifth pillar, which is called test, going to be given by Nilesh.
Parallel work, improve accuracy with specializations, reduce human efforts, handle complex tasks easily. And the Crew AI is used in content creation, software development, business organization, and academic research.
So today class we get into see of the one of the important third party library used in terms of Power BI, data analytics, data science, and followed by of AI of the cutting edge technology and then various application. That is called a Crew AI. Getting into the number of applications such as in terms of NLP, natural language processing, machine language, and followed by deep learning and then AL in terms of the various architecture of the AI form, that is of artificial neural network, conventional neural network and recursive neural network. So the today students have the cutting edge gapping technology and then library supported for the Python ideally, Jupyter notebook and then Anaconda notebook in terms of the various possibilities and then opportunities in the things. So the student give a grand applause to all the students.